This video documents diamond grinding dust removal by shot blaster dedusting. After necessary concrete diamond grinding, after wand vacuuming to remove bulk dust, shot blasting is done to get the concrete clean. A shot blaster extracts surface dust that's become embedded from the diamond grinding process. Its effectiveness can be measured by the visible alteration of the concrete's color. The change occurs as the crystalline white dust is extracted from the concrete's pores. The process is simple. The machine is passed over the surface at a pace which allows full recovery of the embedded dust. It leaves behind a surface that is clean and maximally absorbent. Being that high-performance floor coatings depend upon the concrete for adhesion, the cleaner surface becomes a suitable anchor for their long-term performance. All the operator has to do is let the machine do its final dedusting. Control of the machine's traverse speed is the only skill required. And that's about it. Diamond grinding dust removal by shot blaster dedusting.